Right.
Okay, so here we will discuss about the cost and weight. I think it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, cost is what is the cost incurred for the product. So one is, what is the cost of manufacturing? Certainly, the other thing is also the maintenance cost, which is also very important. Yeah, say I'm designing an automobile. I'm designing a bus, for example. Yeah. So here, there are two costs. One is the upfront cost or the owning cost, yeah, or the cost of purchase. Okay, cost of purchase. And the other thing is operation costs. Okay. So how much are you going to incur on the operation cost? So this is also very important. And other thing is how much are you going to incur for the disposal? Okay. So it's also a responsibility of the design engineer to think through not only the cost of purchase or yeah. So here cost of purchase, you would talk about your design cost, your cost of manufacturing, so on and so forth. It's not only the cost which is incurred for producing a product. Yeah, you should also think about your operation cost. Say for example, what is the fuel efficiency, or you know, you should also think about what would be the cost of maintenance in case of a bus. Okay. And disposal, say for example this bus is used for, I don't know, maybe 20 years, 25 years. Yeah. And if the legal usage of a bus is 20 years, just an example. Okay, how are you going to dispose the components after 20 years, or what you're going to do after 20 years, after the lifetime? Yeah, so this is also very important. Okay, so it's not only the production, it's also the operation, maintenance, and the disposal cost. So you should also think through it. Yeah, say for example you are manufacturing a mobile phone. Yeah, so you can also think that it's not only the product cost, it's not the investment of the one time investment or the production cost which you have to think through when you're designing the product. Okay, you should also think about the maintenance cost of the product or operation cost. Yeah, so here in the operation cost, you can also think about say for example, what is the amount of power it's going to, or what is the amount of electricity it's going to take to charge your mobile phones. Okay, and are there any maintenance costs? Say for example, you get certain software updates which are free or which could be paid. Yeah, so you can also think about it. And how are you going to dispose it? So here it's very important in the electronics or in the semiconductor industry. Yeah, how are you also going to dispose your waste, or how we are going to dispose the mobile phones after the usage? So all these are going to incur the cost for the the company, or the design engineer has to think about all these costs, because all these things are unique selling points, or yeah, for the product. So coming to weight, I think it's pretty straightforward. The product should have optimal weight in terms of the customer requirements. Say for example, um, you are designing a chair, right? The chair should also have a certain weight. Or you are designing a table. Yeah, the table should have the optimum weight. Yeah, so it can't be so light, it can't be so heavy. Yeah, I mean there are a lot of requirements, but certainly this you directly get it from the customer in most of the cases. Yeah, so you directly get it as a customer requirements, that as a design engineer, you are requested to design this component with particular weight. Okay. uh, for example, you are talking, when we talk about the aerospace industry, when you're talking about automotive industry also, yeah, for that matter, yeah, the weight is very crucial for it, yeah, because in the aerospace domain, the efficiency or the fuel efficiency would also consider uh, the weight as a critical parameter, yeah, because the more you are going to load it, the less it's going to be fuel efficient. Yeah, I say take an aircraft for that example. Yeah, so you have to design the aircraft, yeah, for a particular weight. Okay, so this is also a critical parameter which you directly get it from the customer. Okay.